Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria and I created this end of summer, beginning of fall makeup look. And I hope you enjoy it. So I have already moisturized my face and I'm going to use this Fix Plus from MAC and prep my skin. I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Primer. Take about that much, about dime size, and just focus this on my T-zone. I'm gonna take this CoverGirl BB cream in Clean Matte. CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream for oily skin in Light Pale. And I'm just gonna use this Morphe sponge to pounce this BB cream into my skin. Now I'm going to take this Maybelline concealer and put this in the high points of my face. Now I'm just going to take this translucent powder from Ciate London and just bake away. Now I'm just going to take this powder brush. I got this off Amazon. And I'm going to take the same powder and powder the rest of my face. I'm going to take this e.l.f. eyebrow kit in medium and do my brows. I'm going to go in with this Morphe 350 Everyday Chic palette and do my eyes. Now I'm going to go in with Chic It Out, which is this color right here. And I'm just gonna put that all over my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take Feelin' Pretty, which is this purple mauve shade right here where my thumb is. And I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Now the key with eyeshadow is to take a little bit at a time and blend, blend, blend. And to take Getting Ready, I'm just going to use the same brush and build it up in my crease. And next, I'm going to take this purple shade right here, which is called Total Mood. So I'm going to take Total Mood and just really focus that in my crease. Now I'm going to go in with Whoa It's Me, this pretty glitter here, and put that all over my eye. And if any of the eyeshadow falls out, you can always take a brush, like one of these brushes, and just sweep it away. Now I'm going to take this roller lash by Benefit and just coat my lashes. And I'm going to take this Physicians Formula bronzer and bronze up my face. And now I'm going to take this Master Chrome highlight in Molten Rose Gold and highlight my face. I love this highlighter, it's so pretty. And now I'm going to take this Fenty Beauty lipstick. I'm going to go with this Tarte H2O lip gloss. And now to finish off the face, I'm going to go back in with this Fix Plus from MAC